Hello, my name is Can Bakire. I'm recording this for assignment 4 of subject-oriented course. So, we want us to first create a class named patient, and we want us to use init methods. So, inside init methods, we have a sub attribute and the other attributes you want us to use. This is we can think of it. It holds space for the object of a class, which means it's patient 1, patient 2. It will be a replacement of it, in my understanding. And also you want us to write accessor and rotator methods for each of the attributes, so we can reach and change the elements outside the class. And these are the accessor methods, and this is also an accessor method which allows us to show info without using any print function. It also it means also it stores the print function inside of it to make things easy and to make the outcome look better. So those are the mutator methods. In case you want to change the name, we are going to use them. So the other class is procedure. So we use the init methods again. We have 4 attributes. Those are the accessor methods for the attributes, and this is also an accessor method which allows us to show info like the one before. And this is the mutator methods which allows us to change attribute of one class outside of the class. So you want us to create an object in patient class with sample information, and those are my sample, and the other 3 were to create 3 procedures that you gave us as a sample. And this is to calculate total charge, which is we use the mutator methods here. We use accessor methods here. We get the charge of procedure 1, 2, and 3, and the sum of them shows the total charge. And also here, I was not sure if you want us to write here today's date or not. So I used the import. I import the date time, and I use the functions according to that. It gives us the today's date. So this is where I wrote the output of the function. Simply it gets the show info of the patient procedures, and it will shows us the total charge. Let me show you real quick. So as you can see, it gives the information about patient, every element that it restores, and it gives the procedures, dates, practitioner, and the charges, and it gives us the total charge as you wanted. Thank you for watching me.